Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says when you want to format a USB drive and it says Windows was unable to complete the format. So how you can do this, let's get started. First right click on your start menu and then click on disk management. Now here you'll see your disk 1, which will be your USB drive. Just select your USB drive and right click on it and then click on delete volume. Once you do this, it will ask you and give you a warning. Just click on yes, and then as you can see it has converted to unallocated. Now right click on it again and then click on new simple volume and keep pressing next until you see this. Now as you can see it has fixed my problem, and yes, this is how you can do it guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.